Well done as on the arrangement. Just a little bit lost when we get there in the meeting area. But overall rate, wow, amazing trip. But be sure to wear proper winter attire during this season. It's extremely cold. We lost our guide, Mr. Chicken Man, at the start of the tour, but he was clearly passionate about his job. I know it would have been a better experience if we had been able to find him. However, even while we were in line for the ferry, he was already sharing valuable insights. I am confident that this tour would be highly worthwhile for anyone who loves history and enjoys learning new things while seeing the locations in person. Despite the initial mishap, such a wonderful day to the Statue of Liberty. When you exit the subway you will see the castle. Our tour guide David is a very friendly and fun guy. He tells us about the history of the castle, the Lady of Freedom and the Ellis Island. Recommend you to purchase this ticket for the visit. My entire tour experience was smooth and very informative. All the details written on the website is matching in the actual tour. Liam, our personal tour guide, was exceptional and very efficient in giving all the informations. So his performance was 10 out of 10. Nice visit. I like that we go on both islands, and guide was very nice and interesting, telling us many history stuff. Very nice time with the guide Sean. It was very easy to meet guide. I recommend it as it's better than just a boat tour around the statue that I did previous visit. The Statue of Liberty Museum is nice also. I wish I could have more. The day before the great trip, I found out that I bought the wrong ticket and contacted Klook to explain my difficulties because I couldn't add money to change the ticket. As a result, the customer service staff solved my problem. It is really convenient to buy tickets online, and the cost is a bit more expensive, but there is a detailed and humorous explanation from the team leader, which makes all participating members feel happy and satisfied. Thumbs up emoji. It's okay, not too good as expected. The weather wasn't good in the morning. And I don't see any tour guide, just traveling by myself. The tour guide is very nice. Though the weather is not good, I am happy to see the Statue of Liberty. We met Gabriel, who were waiting for us at the meeting point. The ticket was ready and we don't have to wait in a long queue. The overall trip was really fun and we learned a lot during our visit. Thanks to our tour guide Jen, who make this trip memorable. The explanation of the tour guide Joseph is really vivid and hardworking, and the explanation is very professional. I am a little embarrassed to only give a tip of 10 yuan, embarrassed smiley face emoji. The tour guide is super nice and funny. He would wait and make sure no one left out. He explained the history of the statue and Ellis Island thoroughly and in great details. However, it was a bit rushed for taking pictures and buying souvenirs, 30 minutes only, as the activity was great. Gained valuable insights into history of Liberty and Ellis Island. Our guide, Kevin, was extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Highly recommended. The guide is really professional and helpful. This experience was so amazing. Klook's pre-ordered half-day Liberty tour is convenient for your first visit to New York. Enthusiastic tour guides. Location is conspicuous. It was a fun trip. My advice is to prepare enough time to explore Ellis Island. Mike, who was our guide this morning, was very fluent, knowledgeable, friendly and puts happy/energetic vibe in our group. About the tour, it's organized and very nice, especially of course the Statue of Liberty. I would recommend to include gift store to the bookstore as part of the meeting point details to make it clearer to guests. Overall, highly awesome. Statue of Liberty emoji, USA emoji, we love it.